to the art and science of managing crowds, a crowd management masterclass for law enforcement seminar of Batangas Police Provincial Office. And now may we call on our Acting Provincial Director, Police Colonel Jacinto R. Malino Jr. for his message.
Sa ating mga aktibong key officers ng PPO, Chiefs of Police, Operations Officers, and PNCOs, ang ating mga bisita, mga opisyal, and to our subject matter expert, Mr. Martin Aguda, sir, an internationally certified expert in crowd management and widely regarded as the only crowd management guru in the country. Palakpakan natin. Ang aking isang mainit na pagbati sa inyong lahat. Good morning. Ang lalawigan ng Batangas ay kilala hindi lamang sa mayamang kultura at kasaysayan, kundi pati na rin sa malalaking pagdiriwang, politikal na kaganapan at aktibong mamamayan. Ang mga nakaraang buwan, patuloy nating nasasaksihan ang dagsa ng tao sa ating probinsya, kagaya ng selebrasyong tulad ng Sublian Festival at ang Barako Fest ng Lipa City, na isa lamang sa mga nagpapalakas ng ating turismo at lokal na ekonomiya. At the same time, as we approach the 2025 midterm national and local elections, we anticipate even larger gatherings, mas mataas na emosyon at mas malalaking hamon sa seguridad at kaayusan. Ang aking tanong at hamon sa ating lahat ngayon, gaano tayo kahanda? This is why we are here today. Crowd management is not just a physical presence. It is a test of quick thinking, strategic planning, and calm execution under pressure. This seminar, The Art and Science of Managing Crowds, is not just another lecture. It is a call to action. Hindi lamang isang pagsasanay ito, kundi isang panawagan upang ihanda natin ang ating mga sarili para palawakin ang ating pangunawa at patibayin ang ating kakayahan sa pamamahala ng tao sa ilalim ng anumang sitwasyon. Ang kaligtasan ng bawat Batanggenyo ay nakasalalay sa ating talas ng isip, bilis ng aksyon, at husay sa pagpapanatili ng kaayusan. Tayo ang unang tinatakbuhan ng ating mga kababayan sa panahon ng pangangailangan. Today marks another significant step forward for all Batanggenyong police. This is a groundbreaking initiative that aligns with our serbisyong barako na may kisig, kikig at malasakit na kinig. This is more than just another training. It is a strategic shift on how we handle large gatherings and public events. Sa loob ng maraming taon, ang ating hanay ay sinasanay sa crowd control, a reactive approach that focuses on responding to disorder and restoring order. But as the province of Batangas continues to grow, and with massive festivals, religious processions, political rallies, and protests, we must move beyond reaction and embrace proactive crowd management. This means understanding crowd behavior, anticipating risk, and preventing chaos before it begins. To my esteemed fellow Batanggenyo police, this is your opportunity to step up as a leader in modern policing. Ang tunay na pagsubok sa ating serbisyo ay hindi lamang sa pagtugon sa mga insidente, but in anticipating, preventing, and protecting lives before threats escalate. Let us commit to this shift, strengthen our force, at patunayan na ang Batanggenyong pulis na may serbisyong barako ay handang ipaglaban ang kapayapaan, kaayusan at seguridad ng bawat Batanggenyo. Today, I challenge each of you to go beyond the standard response. Do not just react. Anticipate, prevent, and lead. Be the officers who stand not just as enforcers of law, but as protectors of peace and order. Anticipate, prevent, lead. True strength lies not in reaction, but in unwavering readiness and control. Let us rise to the occasion, sharpen our skills, and prove that we are ready. Muli ang aking patuloy na pagsaludo at paghanga sa inyong tapat na serbisyo at pagdilingkod. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat at mabuhay ang Batangas PNP.
Thank you, sir.